This is a message for all our employees on Sector 306J regarding about Subject 2208. Stop all activities and listen carefully to the following. Work activities will go back to normal after this message. Our subject disappeared an hour ago, approximately at 10 p.m. GMT3. At that time we lost all contact with V228. Our communication team can only recover an audio recording of the incident. To all our employees, please don't panic. I repeat, please don't panic. Our intelligence team has already made a plan to localize him. All employees will receive PDF document record in this plan. Every team will be working on this immediately. We will not commit the same error as last time.